Is your printer showing offline even though it's actually online? Don't worry, you're in the right place. In this video, you'll learn simple and effective methods to bring your printer back online. If you need expert assistance at any point, feel free to call the numbers on the screen. Otherwise, I'll guide you step by step on how to uncheck the Use Printer Offline option and configure your port settings to resolve the issue. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Uncheck the Use Printer Offline option. Go down to the search bar on your taskbar, type Control Panel and open it up. Once the Control Panel opens, you just have to find Hardware and Sound and click on it. Now, go ahead and select Devices and Printers from the list. Alright, next up, click on the Printers and Scanners so you can see all the printers connected to your computer. From the list, look for the printer model and click on it. Once that's done, scroll down a little and click More Devices and Printer Settings. Now, you'll see your printer again. Just right-click on it and a small menu will pop up. From that menu, go ahead and click on See What's Printing. When the new window opens, click on the Printer tab at the top. And finally, make sure Use Printer Offline is not checked. If it is checked, click on it once to turn it off and you're good to go. Method 2. Configure the port settings. Open the Control Panel window on your computer once again. After that, click on the Devices and Printers option. Next, choose Printers and Scanners and then click on the printer name. Now, simply click on More Devices and Printer Settings option to move forward. You need to right-click on your printer name this time. From the list of options that appears on the screen, click on the Properties. On the Open pop-up, make sure to select the port tabs. After that, you need to click on the printer's port and choose Configure Port option. Then, what you need to do is deselect the checkbox of the SNMP Status Enabled option. Now, click on the OK button and close the window. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.